Hey, what's up guys? Leroy here, and today we're talking about balling on a budget. And one product that I recently got my hands on that I immediately knew was a winner was this small little bracket arm made by WestCott. Talk about an incredible add-on for any of you guys' kits. I saw a couple other content creators talking about this simple solution. I actually have one on my light right here. It's like a bracket arm. So the cool thing about this bracket arm is you have your light stand, right? Pause, go and grab a light stand. I'll be right back.
2 hours later.
Okay, so I'm back. So we're here, I got my light stand. This light stand that I'm actually using is the Matthews Studio Equipment. It's a Matthews stand, and it's awesome. It fits in the camera bag, it's tiny. So I'm just gonna put it right here, make sure everybody can see it. All right, and I'll lift it just a little higher. So typically you'll have your camera right here, right? So you're trying to take a picture, and this is what this solves. So you'll have your camera, your light stand, right, which you're getting ready to take your photos, and you're going to take your photo, but then this light stand's always, it's like just in the picture barely, so then you have to spend time circling it, going on Photoshop, doing generative fill if you're a Photoshop user, or however you remove your stands. So this little piece right here, it literally fits on top, and then you tighten it in just like that, and then it gives you just enough space to where you can raise that light. You can raise it and get it above your subject's head, and you get no light stand. It's only 8 inches, and it fits in my camera bag, no problem. It's not very heavy. It's just one of those budget items that makes your life so much easier. So I want to just kind of show you guys this week this item, which has saved us a lot of time in Photoshop, and also it will save us a lot of time in Photoshop, and it will also save us a lot of time just positioning our light better, getting better quality of light on our subjects, and just making our life simpler. Actually, because we shoot schools, we do like school photography. I actually bought 3 of these. So now when I go to set up on school jobs, I can have 3 bays, all with this Shorty arm on there with the FJ. It can hold an FJ 400, it can hold 200, it can probably hold any light that you need. Now, one thing I will add, I normally put a sandbag on there because now my center weight of gravity is going from here to a little bit off center. And if you don't have a sandbag, what I do recommend is place the leg with the most weight. So place the leg to go in line with this. So for instance, if you're shooting like this, I'll show you guys the bottom. Wherever you put your Shorty arm, wherever you decide to put it, just make sure that the weight is being bared over one of the legs. So for instance, in this option, I would put it, oh, that's still pretty high, I don't think I can see it. If you can't see it, I'm sorry. Let me just do this all the way out so y'all can actually check it out. Okay, I think you can see it if I do it like this. Okay, so here's my leg. I wanna make sure my Shorty bracket is directly over the leg, if that makes sense. So these two would be parallel. That way you're not worrying about uneven weight distribution. Is it 100% foolproof doing it this way? No, obviously a sandbag is gonna be your best option, which still isn't foolproof, but if you don't have your sandbag, this is a good option to make sure it doesn't fall. So for this week, balling on the budget, check out the Shorty arm by WestCott, 8-inch Shorty arm. It's made of like the same thing your gumbo pot's made out of. So it's like, I'm sure it's cast iron or some heavy duty aluminum. Totally small, fits in your kit. This actually comes out if you have a deeper stand that it can go on. If the top of your stand is deeper, you can use, there's 2 holes. That was so close. There's 2 holes in there too. So if you need to do it on the higher hole, you can do it on the higher one. If you need to do it on the shorter one. Also, you can flip it upside down if you want to reverse mount your light. and tie it on there. I don't know why you do that, that's kind of creepy, but that is an option to where if you want to have your light, maybe you got a special situation where you need your light upside down mounted. So check it out. I think it's probably 40 bucks. I got it at Shutterfest, so I'm sure there was some type of trade show special when I bought mine. I don't think I quite paid 40 for it, but Shorty arm, add it to your kit. Let me know if you're already using it in the comments. Thanks guys for tuning in. See you on the next one. What's up guys? Thank you so much for tuning into that last video, and we want to thank you guys for all the support you've been giving to the channel lately. It seems like every day there's new subscribers, which is super fun, and just making this content for you guys as it goes. Please continue to comment, continue to like, continue to share. I love interacting with you guys in the comments, and the more you comment, the more I respond. So can't wait to see you guys on the next one, and thanks so much for being here.